Let's have a look at the Carbonix Ottano. Carbonix is an Australian company. Ottano is Carbonix's long-range fixed-wing liquid-fueled RPAS. This 6.5-metre VTOL powerlift drone is capable of executing rapid aerial surveys over very large areas and difficult terrain with uncompromising results. Ottano's unparalleled ability to autonomously carry payloads of 5 kilograms for 8 hours puts this aircraft in a class of its own. With this higher than average payload for its class, Ottano can carry a range of sensors depending on your requirements, including high-end airborne LiDARs and 150 MP plus photogrammetry sensors for highly accurate imagery. Ottano's fuel harnesses all the benefits of the smaller Volante, but with added range and ability. The combination of carefully engineered hardware and Carbonix autopilot software ensures higher confidence in this solution as a viable option for your business's aerial needs. So we've got a 5 kilo payload limit, 10 hours flight time. It said 8 hours up the top, but I'm assuming 10 hours would be with no payload. 6,500 millimeters wingspan and 6,000 hectares area coverage. That is huge. Some examples of its use in broadacre agriculture: crop viability categorization and mapping, monitor soil fertility and detect nutrient deficiencies, pest identification, diseases and weeds, livestock tracking and monitoring, irrigation flow, leak identification, evaluate soil health, enhancing safety, and forest cover classification and monitoring. In livestock agriculture, you've got livestock monitoring, water bore monitoring, solar bore inspection, fence line inspection, pest control and monitoring, monitoring trespassers and security. And here we see it has mining applications. You can use it for monitoring and inspection, noise and dust pollution assessments, mine exploration, automatic surveying and mapping, stockpile management, haulage road optimization and tailings dam management, perimeter security, emergency response, and blast radius monitoring. It can even be used for wildlife and conservation, remote monitoring of predator and prey interactions, animals and changing landscapes, the effects of global warming on changing landscape, pollution management, mapping canopies and forest management, coastline management, glacier changes, study of forest ecology, oceanography, and dune monitoring. Also be used for search and rescue in aerial surveillance and search and rescue, first response and situational awareness, and early warning shark detection. Bet that'll save the government some money. In defense, it can be used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, situational awareness, object tracking and target designation, battle assessment damage, and perimeter and border controls. Righto, looking forward to learning more about Carbonix. Stay tuned.